Hi everyone, here is KSTYLEYO. My name is Inyoung. Today I have a new weekly video featuring whiteboard animation for you to improve your Korean. It's coming up. Have you heard about tteokbokki before? Tteok is rice cake and bokki means roasting. Tteokbokki is a dish that Korean people like to eat and it's quite spicy and chewy as well. So today you're going to see two people having a dialogue and one person is asking a friend whether she knows how to cook tteokbokki. Let's get started. 떡볶이 요리하는 법 알아요? 네, 정말 쉬워요. 이번 주에 가르쳐 줄 수 있어요? 네, 재료 사서 같이 만들어요. Let's find out the direct meanings. Tteokbokki is Korean dish that's made of rice cake and red pepper paste sauce, and it's very popular dish for Korean people. 요리하는 is from the verb 요리하다 as dictionary form to cook. By adding 는 to the verb root, it becomes adjective for the present tense. 법 is a method, so you can think of it as method to cook. 알아요 is from a verb 알다 as dictionary form to know. This phrase translates to do you know a method to cook tteokbokki? You can also interpret this as do you know how to cook tteokbokki? 네, yes. 정말, really. 쉬워요 is from a verb 쉽다 as dictionary form to be easy. This phrase translates to yes. It's really easy. Here is the KSTYLEYO official website. You can go to kstyleo.com. There are many free courses that I provide to you. Enjoy! 2번, 이 means this as an adjective. 번 means time. 주 is week. When you say this week in English, in Korean we say this time week. 이번 주. 에 is time particle. 가르쳐 is from a verb 가르치다 as dictionary form to teach. I'm going to break the syllable into 주 plus R. 주 is from a verb 주다 as dictionary form to give. However, when give is used with another verb which is conjugated, in this case 가르쳐, 주다 becomes favor for the first verb. When you add R to verb, it also becomes an adjective for the future tense. 수 is way, similar meaning as 법 that we just learned in the previous page. 있어요 is from a verb 있다 as dictionary form to exist. It could also mean there is or there are or to have. In this case, I'm going to think of it as there is. This phrase translates to is there a way to teach as favor this week? Teach in this case means teach how to cook tteokbokki. When you look at 알 수 있다 after the verb root, oftentimes we think of this as can. You can also interpret this phrase as can you teach this week for me? 네, yes. 재료, ingredient. 사 is from a verb 사다 as dictionary form to buy. When you see 서 after the conjugated verb root, it means and then. In this case, the verb 사다, it looks the same thing as unconjugated verb root and conjugated verb root. You may not know exactly whether the verb is conjugated, but when you use 서 as a conjunction, the verb root has to be conjugated. 같이, as you heard, I didn't say 같이. You pronounce T as CH. 같이 means together. 만들어요. This comes from a verb 만들다 as dictionary form to make. So this phrase translates to yes, Let's buy ingredient and then make 떡볶이 together. Let's hear the dialogue one more time. Please repeat after me. 떡볶이 요리하는 법 알아요? 네, 정말 쉬워요. 이번 주에 가르쳐 줄 수 있어요? 네, 재료 사서 같이 만들어요.
If you like the content today, please give thumbs up and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And please follow my work on Instagram called KSTYLEyo as well. If you have any thoughts or suggestions, please comment down below and I see you guys next time. Bye bye!